The skincare truth no one told us growing up. Growing up, no one really taught us how to care for our skin. We were taught how to fix it. Scrub harder. Use something stronger. Change your color. See results fast. No one explained that skin is not something you force into submission. It's something you build a relationship with. We weren't taught about skin barriers, hydration, or long-term damage. We weren't taught that irritation is a warning, not a normal reaction. We were never told that burning doesn't mean it's working. The truth is, skin remembers everything. It remembers harsh soaps. It remembers overexfoliation. It remembers products that promised quick results but ignored long-term health. Most of us learned skincare through trial and error, and sometimes pain. We followed what was popular, what was passed down, what was praised, without understanding how skin actually works. Here's the truth no one told us growing up. Healthy skin takes time. It's slow. It's quiet. And it doesn't announce itself with dramatic overnight changes. Healthy skin comes from consistency. From protecting your skin during the day. From restoring it at night. From knowing when to stop instead of always adding more. Another truth we weren't told is that skin doesn't need to be punished to improve. Harsh routines don't build strong skin, they weaken it. When skin feels calm, it heals better. When it's hydrated, it looks fuller and brighter. When it's protected, it ages slower. Skincare is not about chasing perfection. It's about understanding. And once you learn that, everything changes. Your routine becomes simpler. Your skin becomes more cooperative. And your confidence stops depending on extreme results.